Thanks for checking out this tutorial. I'm going to show you today how you can actually find session notes that have been completed but still need to be marked as reviewed, or easily find session notes that have already been reviewed. So you'll want to make sure that you have access to the appointment list area of the scheduler to do this. Alright, so within the existing column session note, we'll now notice that there's the option to actually mark that session note as reviewed. So once you do mark that session note at the appointment level, you're now going to be able to see that status in this column session note. So you'll see here it says reviewed. So this is going to be a great area for a supervisor if you need to go check out those session notes that were completed and still to be marked reviewed. So let me show you how you can go about doing that. So you'll first want to make sure that filter area is opened up by clicking these bars here. And what we're going to do is just put in the date range that you want to check out here. I'm just going to put in August 1st to August 31st. And you can always look up, all your clients if you want to do that, but I'm just going to see what I've got going on for my demo client here. And we've added a new status here, which is the session note status. So I can actually keep this at all, and all my appointments for demo client will show whether there's a session note completed or not, if there is a session note, and also if the session note was completed and reviewed. But I really just want to see the session notes that were completed but not reviewed. So I'm going to click yes, because those are the ones that I know I need to go into and review. So now I'm going to have my list. And great, I've only got 3. So now I can just go into these appointments. I've got my appointment for 8/2. I'm going to open that appointment here. I'm going to go into my session note. I'm going to review my session note. Looks great. All right, and now I'm going to mark it as reviewed. And once I mark that as reviewed, now I can close out of there, and now I can go back to my other appointments and mark those as reviewed. So now what I can do, just to kind of double check if I want to, I just want to pull up all the appointments for a demo client, and I want to see the ones that were reviewed. I'm going to submit that. Now I've got my list here. I can sort that by date. And these are all the ones that have been reviewed. Again, if I want to go back in and maybe I now need to pull a list of the session notes that were not completed, for even a certain staff, I could go in and do that. And now I know the people that I need to follow up with. Okay? And then lastly, you can always still export this list as a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. All right, if you've got any more questions about this new feature, you can always email us at support@rethinkvh.com.